How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to 2000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you doing it. So let's get into it guys, and let's show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can do of how you can apply this method. So first of all, open Google Maps in your search in the browser that you'd like to use. Then type the United States in the search of Google Maps, and then zoom in on the United States, and here choose a state from your own choosing. For example, I'm going to choose North Dakota. Here I'm going to zoom on it, and I'm going to choose a random city. I'm going to choose Vilva for here. Let's zoom in. So I'm going to choose this town or this city. Then I'm going to go to the search and type a kind of small business. For example, let's type in gym, and let's see all of the available gyms this in this place. Let's type in gym like that. I don't know why it goes to cardio. I think there's only one gym in this town. Let's go with plumbers, for example. Let's search for the plumbers in this town here. So here it goes to showing me all of the plumbers in the United States, I think. So these are all of the plumbers that are available in the United States, but I'm just looking for the plumbers in North Dakota. So let's zoom in on it again. And let's go here and let's remove plumbers. Let's go with plumber to see. So here it is. These are all the plumbers that we can find in here, and these are all of their profiles. So here guys, in order to choose the best prospects or the best clients that we can reach out to that has a higher rate of response and a higher rate of closing them, make sure always to check the reviews. If they have more than 100 reviews, they are not worth losing your time over them. Make sure always to choose the ones with less than 100 reviews, like this one for example. Let's click on it, and the first thing you should check or you should look for is the website. Make sure to check their website and see if it's up to date or old, to see if it needs any renovation or not. And from the get-go you'll notice that this website is a little bit old. As you can see, the font is old, the colors, the way it's built, it's very old, as you can see. Let's check their Facebook account. So here the first service we can offer them is to renovate their website. Let's check their Facebook account also to see if they have anyone managing their Facebook account or not. We can offer that as well. We can offer the service of managing their social media accounts. So that's the second service we can offer them. Then we can go back to their profile in Google Maps, and we can see if they have any bad reviews. We can offer the service of removing the bad reviews as well. So here let's see they have 5-star reviews. Click on more reviews to see if you are going to find any bad reviews that we can use to convince them to buy our services. So here let's scroll down all them are 5-star reviews. 5-star review, 5-star review or 2, another 5-star review. So just keep scrolling guys until you reach the last review. And if you didn't find any bad review, that's okay. We have now 2 services that we can offer them. So just go to your Facebook account, but first let me see if I can find any bad review that we can use, that we can add as a service in here. So I think they don't have any bad review, so that's good for them. Then we are left with 2 services to offer them, which is the first one is website renovation and the second is social media managing. So here just go to the Facebook account, click on message, and then type your pitch. For example, hey, my name is, and type your name. Then start with saying, I checked your profile in Google Maps and I noticed that your website is a little bit old. I would like to help you with renovating it, and also I've noticed that your Facebook account is a little bit short on followers and also a little bit short on posts, so I can manage that as well for you. And these 2 services will help you gain more clients, which will result in gaining more money, which means a win-win. And then you proceed to booking an appointment with them or a meeting via Zoom or Google Meet or whatever meeting platform you'd like to use. So that's how you can land a client, and then you can close them in the meeting. And then after closing the client, you will go to fiverr.com, because as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill. So you'll just go to fiverr.com and here go to the search. This is where you can hire the freelancer that is going to do all of those services instead of you. So here you will go to the search and then look for website creation or Facebook account management or Facebook page management. Then you will find all of the freelancers that you will look for. So for example, if you've got paid $200 from the business owner, which is Capital Plumbing, you will find here freelancers that will do the website creation for $80 maximum. Then you will pay $80 to the website creator. Then you will be left with $120 to put in your pocket. So I think you get the idea, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.